Hey guys, Chris Mulder here, checking in from Punta Cana at the Mortgage Center Annual Conference. Lots of exciting things happening, and I thought I'd check in because I got the latest rate update, which we've all anxiously been waiting for, especially since that 2.99 was announced with BMO. Interest rates have been a hot topic here at the conference, and we've finally seen rates come down. So for a fixed 5-year right now, you're looking at between 3.1 and 3.15%. Now, that might be surprising and disappointing to some people because, of course, this 2.99 is going around. And there's one thing that you need to understand about the 2.99, and really it answers a lot of questions as to why there's a difference in the price. At 2.99%, the bank is not making any money. The spreads and the costs of borrowing that money for the bank are just not there. So why would the bank give away money, mortgage money, for free? Well, you have to keep in mind that this time of the year is RRSP season, which is a huge driving force of profit for the bank. So if you go to a branch that's offering 2.99%, you better be prepared to sit there and go through all the sales and all the cross-selling about RRSPs and insurance and all the other products, because I can promise you, after meeting a lot of the bankers here, that they are not in this to give money away for free. So that's it from Son of a Broker here in Punta Cana. I'll be back in Toronto soon, and if you want to learn more about me and my business, you can check me out on my blog, sonofabroker.com, or my website, triadacmortgages.com.